Explainer-style videos are quietly dominating YouTube right now, and channels with just 40 to 50 uploads are pulling in millions of views with only 70K to 100K subscribers. These are simple, long-format videos, usually 10 to 15 minutes, and many of them are earning an estimated $5 to $6 RPM. That means with the right topic and structure, a single video hitting a million views can generate serious revenue. And here's the best part. You don't need a big team, expensive software, or even show your face. A lot of these creators are using free AI tools to script, voice, and edit their videos. It's not just one or two channels doing this. There are multiple channels going viral using the same explainer model. To prove how simple this is, I created the video you're watching in just 8 to 10 minutes using free AI tools, and it turned out incredibly well. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create similar high-quality explainer videos step by step, so you can start your own faceless YouTube automation channel and potentially see the same kind of results. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any part of the process. And if you find value in this, like the video and subscribe so I can continue sharing strategies like this. Now let's get started. To create a video like this, the first thing you need is the right prompt. I've spent a lot of time refining and testing a powerful prompt that can help you generate ideas for almost any type of explainer video. I'll provide the link to this prompt in the description below, where you can access it through Google Docs. Once you open the document, copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting it, click Generate, and ChatGPT will instantly give you multiple high-quality topic ideas. You can choose any topic that fits your niche and start creating content around it. If you don't like the suggestions or want more options, simply type "Give me more ideas" in the chat box, and it will generate a fresh list of topics for you. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you find the perfect idea. Once you've selected your topic, the next step is to generate the script using the second prompt. Go back to the document and copy prompt number 2. Then open ChatGPT and paste that prompt into the chat. Inside the prompt, you'll see a section in brackets where you need to insert your topic. Replace that placeholder text with the exact title or idea you've chosen for your video. After pasting your topic into the correct section, click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then start creating a full script based on your selected idea. Within seconds, you'll have a structured explainer-style script ready to use for your video. Once your script is fully generated, copy the entire script and open a new Google Doc. Paste the script into the document so you can properly review and edit it. This step is important because you want to proofread everything carefully, fix any grammar mistakes, improve awkward sentences, and make sure the flow sounds natural and engaging. Clean scripts perform better because they sound more professional and hold attention longer. After you finish proofreading and polishing the script, the next step is to generate your voiceover. For the voiceover, we're going to use ElevenLabs. First, copy your finalized script. I'll demonstrate using a shorter version of the script, but you should use your full script when creating your actual video. Once you're ready, go to the ElevenLabs website using the link in the description. Then sign up and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on the text-to-speech option. In the text box provided, paste your script. On the right side, you'll see a list of available AI voices. You can preview and choose any voice that fits your video style. After selecting your preferred voice, click the Generate button. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will be ready. Once it's generated, download the audio file to your device, and then you're ready to move on to the next step of creating your video. The next step is to generate AI explainer-style images for your video. For this, go back to the document and copy prompt number 3 exactly as it is. Once copied, open ChatGPT and paste this prompt into the chat. After pasting it, click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then ask you to send the first paragraph of your script. Now open the same Google Doc where you pasted your full script earlier. From there, copy the first short paragraph of your script because we're going to create visuals for it step by step. After copying the paragraph, go back to ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will create a high-detail image prompt for that paragraph and also provide a related video prompt below it. First, we'll generate the images. Copy the detailed image prompt exactly as it is, without changing anything. Now go to a free AI image generation website like Pipit.ai using the link in the description. Sign up and log into your account. If you join using the provided link, you'll receive free credits that allow you to generate high-quality images at no cost. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with 2 options, image and video. Click on the image option. Paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Then scroll down to the model section and choose any model you prefer. After that, go to the aspect ratio section and select 16:9, since this format works best for YouTube videos. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. A new screen will appear showing your image being processed. Wait a few moments while the AI creates your high-quality explainer-style image. As you can see, your first image is now ready. Next, go back to your Google Doc and copy the second paragraph of your script. Then return to ChatGPT, paste that paragraph into the same prompt box, and click Generate. ChatGPT will again provide you with a detailed image prompt, along with a video prompt. You only need to copy the image prompt for now. Take that image prompt and paste it into Pipit.ai, using the same settings as before. Then click Generate and wait for your image to be created. Repeat this exact process for every paragraph of your script. Copy the paragraph from Google Docs, paste it into ChatGPT, generate the image in Pipit.ai. By consistently repeating these steps, you can quickly generate all the visuals for your entire video. Once you've done this for every paragraph, you'll have a complete set of high-quality explainer images ready for editing. Now the next step is to download all the images you've generated. Open each image one by one inside Pipit.ai and click on the download button. When the download options appear, select the format as PNG and make sure to choose the without watermark option. Then download each image individually and save them properly on your device in a separate folder so everything stays organized. Once all your images are downloaded and saved, we move to the next stage, which is turning these static images into video clips. This is where your explainer video will start coming together, because now we'll add motion and bring these visuals to life. To convert your images into videos, we'll use a free AI tool called Flow.ai. I'm personally using the free plan, which gives you around 150 free credits, enough to convert about 5 to 6 images into short video clips. First, go to the Flow.ai website, sign up, and log in. Once inside the dashboard, click on New Project. You'll see the main interface appear. From there, choose the text-to-video option and then select Frame to Video. Next, open the settings and make sure to select the landscape ratio 16:9, so your video matches YouTube's format. After that, choose your preferred model according to your needs. Below the main box, you'll see 2+ icons. Click on them to upload the first image you downloaded earlier. Now go back to ChatGPT and find the video prompt that was generated along with your image prompt. Under each image prompt, ChatGPT provides a matching video prompt designed specifically for that image. Copy the correct video prompt that matches the image you're uploading. Then return to Flow.ai, paste that video prompt into the prompt box, double-check that the correct image is uploaded, and click the Generate button. Within a short time, your first video clip will be ready. Repeat this exact same process for every image. Upload the correct image, copy its matching video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow.ai, and generate the clip. Make sure each image matches its specific video prompt to get the best results. By following the same steps consistently, you can quickly convert all your images into high-quality animated explainer-style video clips. Now that all your video clips are ready, download them one by one and save them properly on your device in a dedicated folder. Once everything is downloaded, the next step is to create your thumbnail. To create the thumbnail, go back to your Google Doc and copy prompt number 4. After copying it, open Pipit.ai again and paste the prompt into the image generation box. Inside the prompt, you'll see brackets where you need to customize the text. Replace the bracketed placeholders with your specific topic details, keywords, or main elements related to your video. Once you've edited everything correctly, click the Generate button. Within moments, your thumbnail will be created. Download it in high quality and save it to your device. Now we move to the final step, editing. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips you generated using Flow.ai, the voiceover file you created with ElevenLabs, and the thumbnail you just designed. Once everything is imported into CapCut, now begin the editing process by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline first. Your voiceover should always be the foundation of your video because everything else will be synced according to it. Once the voiceover is placed, drag your thumbnail onto the timeline above the audio track. Keep the thumbnail visible for about 5 seconds at the beginning. During those 5 seconds, apply a slow zoom-in effect to create movement and make the frame more engaging. For example, if you're talking about the first iPhone, slightly zoom into that specific element on the thumbnail while the voiceover introduces it. As the voiceover continues, start adding your video clips according to what is being said. Match each visual to the exact part of the script it represents. Whenever a new topic or element is introduced in the voiceover, briefly bring the thumbnail back onto the timeline and apply a small zoom to highlight the specific item being discussed next. This creates a consistent visual pattern and keeps the viewer engaged. Continue arranging all your clips in sequence, aligning them carefully with the voiceover. Once everything is placed correctly, you can enhance the video by generating captions, adding smooth transitions between clips, applying subtle effects, and adjusting colors if needed. If you've added background music and it sounds too loud, lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. After reviewing everything and making final adjustments, your video is complete. Simply click the export button, choose your preferred resolution, and export your finished video. Now your explainer video is ready to upload and share.
iPhone, 2007. The original iPhone was introduced by Apple in 2007 and completely changed what a phone could be. It combined an iPod, a phone, and an internet device into one touchscreen product with no physical keyboard. At the time, most smartphones relied on tiny keys and styluses, but this model used a large multi-touch display controlled entirely by fingers. It ran on a simple operating system that would later become iOS. Even though it lacked features like an app store or video recording, it set the foundation for modern smartphones and reshaped the entire mobile industry. iPhone 3G. Released in 2008, the iPhone 3G looked similar to the first model but added faster cellular data and, more importantly, the App Store. That single addition allowed developers to create apps for games, productivity, and social media, turning the phone into a platform instead of just a device. It also introduced GPS for navigation. With its curved plastic back and lower price, it reached a much wider audience and marked the true beginning of the smartphone app era. iPhone